Number 4. Okay, so Leibniz differential law. This is d over dx ex. Okay, so this is just e times x e minus 1, e of exponential x plus x to the power e to the power x. So the answer is oh, and you combine this e and d. So the answer is A. Number 5. So partial xf is 2x plus y. Partial y partial f is x plus 2y. And do the integration. So f, this tells you that f is x squared plus xy times f to sum f to y. And this is f x squared divided by xy plus y squared plus f1y. F1x, some f1 of x. So combine together, f equals x squared plus xy plus y squared plus some constant. Choose A. Choose A. Derivative. Okay. So derivative basically is the slope. So when so this is positive, this is negative, this is 0, right? So it should be like some positive, some negative, other this is 0. So the answer should be C. Should be C.